Good morning. This is Mahalia here saying we are one Africa. So guys, today we are going to take the dog on a trail walk. It's pretty exciting. I've never been on a trail walk in Florida, so first time, follow us along.
Yeah, right? Yeah. Oh, look here. So you happy for that?
They make you pay to go walk in nature.
Yeah.
Let's see. In cooperation for Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation. You could walk, you could bike, you could shoot.
You can shoot. Oh yeah, you can shoot. Yes.
Probably in like
We took our guns, guys.
Probably in a certain location, but
You gotta park here though.
yeah, you park here.
There's somebody on the trail already.
I don't even know where to go.
Well, you have a map, you know.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Hey,
Where is this thing?
it's right here. Roxas.
This is a trail that we'll be going on, guys. Pretty excited. Let's go. The next time we come back, we could take our shotguns.
I don't know where, like you can't just shoot anywhere.
You probably might see
I don't even think it's shooting.
Places out here.
That might be that might be a hunting logo.
well, we gonna be hunting.
Well, listen. Show me something, let me shoot it first.
Don't be shooting right now.
Let me shoot him right now, Derek.
You don't know who else is on this trail.
You two guns. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm done. You see, this is when people get gun-ho. Happy gun-ho. We ain't even stopped the trailers yet. He already done start shooting. Frightening the dogs. Oh my gosh.
I feel like mosquito biting me.
I got some spray. Go get him. If he runs it, he gets stuck up in there.
There's water like on the...
Bullshit. This man talking about now. Dog get stuck in the bush.
Yes.
What if? Dog before you.
All right.
Okay guys, this is my first time being on a trail in Florida. Living here for what, over 25 years? Living here in Florida? It's a shame. But there's always a first, so. But I'm loving it. The dogs are loving it. We get to shoot our guns.
Come on.
It's like all along here, O'Neill, it's like swampy lands. Like it's full of water in here. What's up? If I want to shoot again? Yeah. I get my shooting skills up to par. This is like my second time shooting a gun other than going to the class. So he's showing me how to load the gun. Okay.
Safety off.
Safety's on. He's turning off the safety. The gun has to always be away from you.
Yeah.
And then, oops. The green, right?
Yeah.
Looking at the green.
There you go. Hit it again. Safety.
Why?
Look so.
I just wanted to come out here and walk for a bit.
We go to the house and then we come back for you.
Oh my gosh.
That's not self-control.
Should be.
Right? The dogs haven't even started running as yet and you all want to go back.
Well, go ahead now, go run with them now. Wait for you. Go down there with them.
We are heading back to the truck with the dogs. Roxas has a lot of energy.
I want to see if my shoes go in.
Next time, set up some targets. Put a little piece of paper on a piece of tree.
Yeah. That's what we need to do. The next time we come back, we did get some targets. Huh?
Okay, let me get that.
He's so stupid.
It's not something what people need to go out and see. The swamp and
What do you mean?
and
You
mosquito.
don't think all this stuff looks nice?
No.
I mean, obviously there's probably better sites. You know, you could probably go see like mountainous regions and stuff like
Exactly.
that. But Florida still has its purpose.
Hey!
It still has its purpose, like the ecosystem, the wildlife. You know what I'm saying? All these different kinds of plants. I don't even know what the heck all this stuff is.
You don't know.
I don't. That's what I'm saying. People.
Hey!
We used to live a certain way as human beings on this earth. Native Americans had this land. This is, and they lived like, you know what I'm saying? They didn't build buildings off the ground and drive cars and had roads and stuff like that. They had trails. They had trails. They had like, they hunted the bison and like turkey and buffalo and stuff like that, and they lived like, you know, in nature. We don't do that no more. We as humanity,
You mean us?
we've been colonized.
You know how many people do that?
People
Well,
do
a lot
do
of
it.
people
I mean,
that-
obviously people do live
That
like
does
that.
it.
You know, there's places where people do live like that. I remember there was a video of this lady. She was in some Asian country, like somewhere up in the mountains, and like she had went all the way out to like this old lady's some village, and the village lady, I guess she was trying to like haggle with the village lady. And the village lady is like, we know where you from. Just pay the money for it. like stop trying to like get this. And then she's basically trying to get it for free or like get it at like a discounted rate. And she ended up getting chased out of the village with her and her son ended up getting chased out of the village with the lady. Lady had to match it. And she literally they're freaking almost out of breath. And this old lady's like chasing them down like nothing. she's out of breath. She's out of the breath to the point where she tells her son to keep going. She's like, just go, save yourself. Like, yo, like stop going into these people's environments
and trying to get things for free.
Trying to get things for free at this kind of rate. Like they don't, you know what I'm saying? They know where you're from. They know how much money you probably live in a nice, comfortable home. You got a nice, comfortable job. Just pay them the money for what they're offering. Even here too.
Yeah.
A little snake right there. I think it's a water moccasin.
Yeah.
Right there.
Look here. Look at there.
Grab it.
No, hell no. It's a water moccasin and a white belly. Maybe it's a garden snake.
No, that's no garden snake.
No, he has a white mouth.
I'm gonna grab it.
No, you stupid.
Well, nobody can see it, Velma. You gotta move so you can
You'll
see
see
it.
it.
Want me to stick the dogs on it?
No.
Look on my hand, Velma.
Oh my gosh.
Daddy, don't touch that thing.
Look, it's moving. It's moving. It's moving. You stupid! That's snake.
Oh that snake definitely was.
It was crossing, right? It was trying to cross.
Look on my hand.
I'm done. And we are back, guys. Had fun. Shot my gun. Have more training to do. So we're gonna do this next time. We're gonna set up our targets and we're gonna bring our rifle and stuff like that. Getting the dogs into the truck.
Come on. Axel, come on.
Did something happen?
He's just afraid.
Oh, okay.
Hold it, Velma.
Hey, boys. Hey, boys. Axel. Hey, Roxas. Roxas.
Hold this.
Roxas. Hey, Roxas. Hey, Axel. Hey, Roxas. Hey. Hey, boy.
Stay back there.
Yeah.
Hey, boys. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. To my supporters, thank you for subscribing and supporting. And if you are first time watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell for more.